Today on the Italian Riviera, we are having a very Cinque Terre day. We're going to learn how to make pesto, enjoy some delicious Italian food, and then set off on a boat to see the Cinque Terre from the sea.
This basil comes from Genova, perfect for pesto. So ice on the top is so important for the color.
You shake the water off and put them in the mortar.
Go and push all the ingredients down.
All right, whew, it's a bit of a workout. If you're going to learn how to make pesto, Cinque Terre is the place to do it because this is where pesto is from. Okay, the time has come to try our pesto. That tastes so delicious.
Now we are going to drink white wine from Cinque Terre.
I loved it. I found it really interesting because when you see it in the supermarket, you don't actually realise what work needs to be done. And I think it's good for everybody as well. Families, couples, yeah, it was good.
Salute, ragazzi.
Salute! This is also lovely, learning to make pesto, trying Cinque Terre wine, some delicious food, and we have the backdrop of Monarola. Okay, it is time to head to the boat. Ooh. All right. This is the life. Cruising along in a boat on the Italian Riviera. What more could you ask for? How's this for a harbor to enter to? This has been so great. We learned how to make pesto, rowed in a tiny little boat along the shore, which allowed us to get really close and see everything. This has been such a stellar way to experience the Cinque Terre.